Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling how to run productive meetings using teamwork.com. First and foremost, you'll want to create a new project in teamwork.com. This is where you'll house all the details, agendas, and notes for your meeting. This is an essential first step because it ensures that everything related to your meeting is in one place and easily accessible to all participants. Now that we've done that, the next step is to set up the meeting agenda within this project. Why do this? Well, a clear and concise agenda allows everyone to know what to expect in the meeting, helps keep the discussion focused, and ensures that all important points are covered. Next up, invite your team members to the project. By doing so, your team can access the agenda, add their own points, and prepare beforehand. This helps us because it fosters team collaboration and allows for full participation in the meeting. Once everyone is in, start using the project's message board to discuss the agenda. This is a great tool to engage your team before the meeting even starts. The reason we do this is to encourage everyone to share their thoughts, which can help identify any potential challenges or questions that may arise during the meeting. Finally, when the meeting is underway, use teamwork.com's time logging feature. This allows you to record how much time is spent on each agenda item. Let me explain why this matters. Time logging ensures that your meeting stays on track and helps identify any areas that may need more or less focus in future meetings. So there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to run productive and efficient meetings using teamwork.com. Remember, the key here is preparation, engagement, and time management. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.